Drinking water is essential to your health. That's why you need to drink plenty of hydrated throughout the day. Unlike power drinks or soft drinks, water is truly the only drink that can quench your thirst. It's an easy, refreshing way to keep your body healthy and strong. Freshen up today with a brisk, cool bottle of water.
Introducing Nature Spring Purified Drinking Water. If you're feeling hot and thirsty, here's the drinking water that will make you feel recharged. Nature Spring Purified Drinking Water. 10 pesos